Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Right Way Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to install a door stopper, or if you wanted to replace one as well. So this is the style that I have right here. It comes like this with this backing here. So you're going to take this part off. Should be a little screw there inside. Now you can put it on your baseboard here. With or without a drill. I mean, you're definitely going to need a screwdriver though, if you choose to. So you're going to put your screw in there like that. And you want to find the part on the baseboard that you're going to screw it into. Usually it is at the edge of the door here. You can kind of see the outline where mine already was there. I just took it out to show you guys. Alrighty. So we're going to screw it in there. We'll just put it in the same spot. But I promise you, even if I didn't take it out from the spot, I would still be able to put it in here with just a screwdriver and not a drill. Of course, drill would be a lot easier. But if you don't have one, that's fine. Sure, it's nice and tight, but not too tight, or else it'll start getting flat. And it might not take the actual stopper there. So you get your little piece here, and you gotta find that hole there on the side. And you wanna put it in like so. So now you have a good door stopper. Mine's a little bit bent there. Probably kicked it at some point. Sometimes you can just play with it a little bit and straighten it out. So the door can touch. So if you have a hole in your wall there from the door handle, it's probably because you don't have a door stopper. So make sure you got one. They also sell ones that you could put on the door hinges as well, but this style is a lot easier. If you don't like, the whole sound there of hitting it, then that's when you would put it on the door hinge up top. But you still have to adjust those once in a while, so I don't necessarily like those as much. There you have it. So if you wanted to just replace this part, you just take it off, as easy as that. Just turn it there, put it back in. Sometimes this rubber part will come off as well, just this rubber here, and you might not be able to put it on, so you might have to buy another one. They're fairly inexpensive, so you should be alright. Alright, well, thanks for watching everyone. Like and subscribe.